Today's my lecture is about quantitative and qualitative research. Research is usually classified into two categories: quantitative research and qualitative research. Research is the combination of both qualitative and the quantitative researches. Actually, every research starts with qualitative methods and then ends with quantitative methods. In order to explore or identify the areas, to develop hypotheses, to select variables, qualitative methods are used, and then these concepts are studied through using quantitative methods. Quantitative research. Research based on quantitative or numerical measurements is known as quantitative research, and it is a systematic empirical investigation in which quantitative properties or characteristics of subjects are studied, and it is used to determine the extent of a problem, issue, or phenomena by quantifying it. Quantitative research explores relationship using numerical data, involves the collection of numerical data, depicts, predicts, and explains data in the form of statistical analysis, uses the numerical methods to analyze data and interpret the results, finds out the relationship among variables, and infer results. In fact, quantitative research provides quite accurate and reliable measures through well-developed statistical methods. Quantitative research answers the questions that need a quantitative answers, like how much growth has been taken place in prices during the year 2010, and what is the average income of individual household in Punjab. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is based on subjective assessment. Qualitative research is an inquiry or investigation in which social aspects of the subjects are studied. It is used to explore the nature of problem, issue, or phenomena without quantifying it. And it provides a detailed description of phenomena, event, situation, and interaction between them, providing depth and detail. Qualitative research conducted to have an insight and better understanding of the phenomena, situation, or events. Explore relationship using textual data, uses a variety of methods and data collection strategies. Qualitative research answers the questions that need a qualitative answers, like why the market share of the company has been declining, what are the factors that motivate the employees in an organization. In the research, both qualitative and the quantitative methods are used. Quantitative methods capture the behavior and collect numerical or quantitative data and focus on the links among a smaller set of attributes across many cases or individuals. While qualitative methods depends on personal experiences and interpretations and concerned with the understanding the meaning of the phenomena under study and focus on links among a larger number of attributes across relatively few cases. Comparison between quantitative and the qualitative research. Quantitative research objectives are to describe, to explain, and predict, while qualitative research objectives are to describe, to explore, and to discover. The purpose of a research in quantitative research is to describe or predict, while the purpose of qualitative research is to understand and interpret. Research questions in quantitative research is usually how many, how much, and what. And the research question to ask in qualitative research is usually how, why, and what. The focus of the quantitative research is concise and narrow, while the focus of qualitative research is complex and broad. In quantitative research, deductive or top-down scientific method and reasonings are used, while in qualitative research, inductive or bottom-up scientific methods or reasonings are used. In quantitative research, behavior under artificial and controlled conditions are studied, while in qualitative research, behavior in its natural environment or context is studied. The research design and framework of quantitative research is usually rigid, while research design and framework in qualitative research is usually flexible. In quantitative research, researcher involvement is limited, while in qualitative research, the researcher involvement is usually high. In quantitative research, probability sampling method is used for selecting samples, while in qualitative research, non-probability sampling methods are used for selecting samples. The sample size in quantitative research is usually large, while in qualitative research, the sample size is mostly small. No preparation is done before conducting quantitative research, while pre-tasking is done before conducting qualitative research. Numbers and statistics are used in quantitative research, while words, images, or objects are used in qualitative research. Quantitative data based on precise measurements are used in quantitative research, while qualitative data such as open-ended responses, interviews, and participant observations, fields, notes are usually used in qualitative research. In quantitative research, statistical analysis is done, while in qualitative research, subjective analysis is usually done. Quantitative research is usually objective, while the qualitative research is usually subjective. The results of quantitative research is generalizable, while the results in qualitative research is usually particular or specialized and is less generalizable. Statistical reports are generated in quantitative research, while in qualitative research, narrative reports are generated